With the increasing use of electrical energy, installations are becoming more heavily loaded. Often, loads aren't evenly distributed among the phases, leading to fuse trippings on the most burdened phase. In such situations, redistributing loads between phases is possible. However, this process requires phase identification on individual loads or circuits. Particularly in larger installations, determining phase affiliation under voltage can be challenging, as we can't always rely on tracing a single conductor. Gridphase is a new and innovative device that provides reliable phase identification of conductors under voltage anywhere in your installation. Let's look at an example of phase identification within a distribution cabinet. After turning on the device, we connect it to a phone via Bluetooth and synchronize it with the GPS clock. Next, we establish a reference point for our measurement. This reference point represents the phase to which other measurements will be compared. We can assign any of the 3 phases to this reference point. In our case, we'll set it to phase 1. We'll now take some measurements directly on the fuses. We see that for each circuit breaker, the instrument accurately indicates the phase. With the Gridphase device, phase identification becomes simple, fast, and reliable, regardless of the installation's complexity. With our device, you can efficiently redistribute loads and ensure stable and safe operation of your electrical systems. For more information and to place an order, visit our website or contact us today.